Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to see your video receipt on Whatnot. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you started selling on Whatnot and you want to go ahead and see which card in particular someone bought from you during your live stream. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is first you want to click onto the Whatnot app, and then from here on the bottom right hand corner you want to go ahead and click on your account. Next you want to click on orders, and so on this page here you're going to see all the orders that you've made via your Whatnot streams. What you want to do next is you want to click on one of your orders, and then from here you want to scroll down to where it says video receipt. So once you click on video receipt, it's going to show you exactly where and when that sale occurred. So notice how for this particular order it's just kind of vague where it says Pokemon card singles number 5. If you click on the video receipt, it's going to go to that certain part of your video where you actually made the sale. Yo, welcome. So you can basically see that at 23 minutes, this is the item that I sold. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your video receipt on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.